I just want you to imagine this, holding your remote and watching TV and actually making some cash from that. We're always on our phones, we're always on our tablets, we're always watching different things. We're always watching movies, you're always watching entertainment. And I just want you to think about this. How about making some extra income when you're just seated and chilling and watching Netflix? How about making an extra income coming in as you're seated and watching Netflix? Stay tuned as I'm going to show you the exact steps that you're supposed to take to actually do that.
What's going on, everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how you can earn from just watching videos. Hey, my name is Dennis, and make sure to hit the subscription button below, and make sure also to hit the notification button below so that you may not miss any of my videos on how to watch, on how to make money online. And hey, in this video I'm also going to show you how you can get $5 for free as you watch your videos. Stay tuned.
Watch videos, earn rewards, and make money from just watching videos. Hey, in this video, that's the exact thing that I'm going to be taking you through. As you can see just on my screen, what is happening is you have I just want to take a look at this free $5 to start. So I want you just to stick with me around up to the end of this video, because this site, I'll be showing you which site is this, and also at the end of the video I'm going to be giving you an amazing bonus. So what I want you to do is I want you to walk with me through everything and stick around up to the end, because I don't want you to miss even on one simple step, because every step that I'm going to be walking you through here matters a lot. So watch videos, earn rewards. And I'm sure right now you're like wondering, how can that happen? How can I be able to make money from watching videos and sponsored content? So I just earned 1.25. That's not a lot, but here's the thing. This site, it has paid members over 59 million in cash. And I just want you to understand that this is a trusted and featured site, because look at this, featured in Forbes, an easy way to earn without having to leave your apartment, without having to leave your laptop, without having to leave your phone. And I just want us to look at some reviews. And hey, stick up to the end of the video, because at the end, as I'm going through the slides, you're going to check and see which site is this, so that you may also get started earning money by just watching videos, doing whatever you're doing whatever you love to do, and you're getting paid. Let's see some of the reviews. Take some surveys, watch some videos, play some games, and best of all, get paid for it. So the site gives you varieties of things that you can do. Right now I'm focusing on watching videos, because I find it to be one of the simplest things that you can do. And these are things that you're always doing on a daily basis. You're always watching Netflix, you're always watching videos on YouTube, you're always watching different stuff. How about as you're watching these things, entertainment, you actually get compensated for that? You call it monetizing. That's like being paid for just doing nothing at all. They have the best games, the best surveys, the best apps to play. It's fun to learn and give me a chance to earn for this extra cash in my free time. All right, so this is amazing. So join our exclusive online loyalty rewards club. Inbox dollars in the #1 site for anyone looking to earn some extra money for watching videos, taking surveys, and other online activities. So how are you able to get started? As I told you, stick around as I'm showing you. At the next step is I'm going to show you how it works. So make sure to stick around up to the end so that you may not miss any step. And right now what I want to show you is how you can get to sign up. So enter your email, pick a password, and start telling us about yourself so that you can get surveys that matter and also videos that matter. Then confirm your email address. And the simple reason that you want to confirm your email address is because they want to confirm that this is your real email. Get access to surveys and start with $5 once you confirm your email address. It's our way of saying thank you. So here's the thing, the moment you fill in your email and you fill in the information, you get rewarded, you get paid immediately $5 by not even doing anything. All right, you've just filled in your email address, you've just registered for the program so that you may start monetizing your watching. And what they do is they first give you $5 to show you that, hey, thank you for trusting us, and this is how serious you are. Earn cash and gift cards. Make money by filling out surveys, completing polls, and doing research activities. Get paid with PayPal, guys. This is free PayPal money, gift cards, or cash. So here's the thing: stick around, because right now you may be thinking, "Wow, what the hell? Who the hell pays you from just watching content?" I'm going to just be explaining to you how that works.
The content that I'm providing in this video, do this: go down, hit the subscription button below, and also do me a favor, drop where you're tuning in from so that I may provide more content based on your region. Hit the subscription button below, and with that, let's get back to the content
and how you can really leverage. So how does this work? It's easy. Watch videos and TV content from your computer or smartphone. As you watch more videos, you earn virtual scratch of cards to unlock prizes anywhere from a couple of cents to $100. It's easy to earn rewards with Inbox Dollars. So here's the thing: this site is Inbox Dollars, right? We are one of the best online cash reward sites out there. Our members earn cash, not points. Since 2002, we have paid over 59 million in cash rewards to our members. So this site has been around since 2000. So this means that this is a trusted site. This is something that you can be doing on a part-time basis, and you can be making your own income. So as I told you, I'll be explaining to you, why would anyone pay you to watch videos? You may be thinking about that. Why would anyone pay you from just watching videos? And listen to this: large companies and brands always want more customers to find out about their upcoming films, products, and services. They need people to watch their content and share it with their friends online. But with all of the noise out there, it can become hard to find viewers. We all agree this during the online space. That's where Inbox Dollar comes in. We connect you, our members, with these film studios, big brands, and other companies. When you watch these videos and engage with the content, Inbox Dollars get paid, and we share a portion of those earnings with you. So let me just give you on a nutshell what they mean. This is how it works, right? It's like paying advertisement to Facebook. The moment you pay ads to Facebook, what happens is Facebook takes that money, but you don't get any reward unless you're selling something. So here's the thing: this site, it holds the bulk people, it holds the people together. So it sells, all right, because it has the people. Most of the companies will come, instead of paying ads and everything, they pay the company to advertise and promote their products. So as soon as you start watching these products and you start viewing their videos, that's how they get paid, and that's how they're able now to share what they have earned with you and divide with you, because you've also participated in the activity. So why use Inbox Dollars? As I told you, this is the site Inbox Dollars. It was founded in 2000, remember that, and Inbox Dollars has been paying real cash to millions of members for many years. Brands know we are a real deal. In fact, we are one of the few legitimate sites that we pay real customers, like for watching videos. A few cents here, a couple dollars here, it all adds up. Inbox Dollars members always look for extra ways to save money and earn some extra cash. Our members are students, stay-at-home moms and dads, side hustlers, and people with regular 9-to-5 jobs. You are ready to watch videos online. Here's your chance to earn a little bit of cash. So how about making $1,735 from this? That will be good, right? Join Inbox Dollars today and just start with $5 in your account. So immediately you get started, you get awarded $5. This is the $5 that I was talking about. And hey, I want you to stay tuned up to the end of the video, because I'm also going to show you how you can get started and sign up with this site immediately. So how do I get started? This is the other part. So I'll also be showing you a demo on this. So you can sign up for free by registering your email address and creating a password to access your new Inbox Dollar account. You will even get an immediate $5 added to your account once you have activated your email. Then you can start earning money by watching videos at home, work, or while you are out and about throughout Inbox Dollars app. In fact, it's easy to earn on the go with Inbox Dollar. Many members earn with us while watching TV, on the bus, or waiting for their friends to show up. How sweet is that? So what kind of videos will you be watching? Videos change every day, from trending news topics to cooking to sports. So also you can be entertaining yourself as you're earning income. Trending news, celebrity gossip, wow. Entertainment, I actually watch a lot of entertainment, health, food, technology. How much money will you earn? I'm sure that's one of the biggest question that you have right now. You're asking yourself, how much money will you earn? And hey, stick around, because the next step, what I'm showing you is how you can get paid, how you can get paid your money after you watch this video, how it can be deposited directly to your account. So how much money will I earn? Earning rewards is easy. You will start with $5 in your account as soon as you activate your email, so you have got some free cash already, right? Watch video and earn virtual scratch cards. The more content, the more scratch cards you earn. Most scratch cards off pay from $0 to 0.5. This is not much, but I want you to check on this. How much if they pile up, how much money can you make from watching different videos? $5, $10, $25, or even more. You can even earn up to $100, $200. You can also earn money from completing daily polls, taking short surveys, searching the web, reading paid emails, and more. So we have a lot of activities here. So how can you get paid? How do I get paid? When you're ready, getting paid is easy. You can request payment quickly, and I want you to note on this, and easily via cash, gift cards, or PayPal. So the moment you're getting paid via PayPal, it means that, hey, this is a trusted site. This is a trusted site that you can get paid real money, real time, and payment processed every Wednesday. Check payments mailed directly to your home address, electronic gift cards to Amazon, Walmart, Targeted, and all these options to donate. I also want you to take a look at this. They have partnered with different companies such as Red Cross or other charities to be able to leverage from these options. Dominate Animal Humane Society, and over 15,000 members are paid weekly. So hope to see you on the beaches of the world, and hope to see you when you've started making money online by looking at this site. So let me give you the steps that you're supposed to take. So come here, search Inbox Dollar on Google. After you've searched Inbox Dollar, it will bring you something like here. Enter your email, enter your real email, enter your password here, right? Your password that you usually use or you can create. And then at the below here, you want to confirm your password and then sign up and open your account. After you've signed up and opened an account, what will happen is you'll get free $5 immediately. So here's the thing. What you can do from this, you can just earn very little amount of money. So if you're here and you're looking for different ways that you can make money online, I'm also giving my own mentorship program whereby I'm giving you a free guide whereby you can make residual income. This is money that gets in when you're traveling. This is money that gets in when you are actually enjoying time with your friends and family members. This is income that gets in when you're even asleep, guys. So I want you to take a look at the first link in the comments below. I want you to go and click on that link. There's a short video. It will be explaining what you are working on, and after that, what you'll do is you'll just click that link, watch that short video, fill in your email address, and I'll be personally reaching out to you. So I'm so excited and hope to see you on the beaches of the world as you enjoy and make money online from watching videos. Have a good time.